Confirming, we have a heavy traffic here. We have a heavy traffic here on the superhighway Padolong Gawas Padolong South. Now the endpoint of SRP here in Toyota. We have a very heavy traffic. I think we have 3 minutes of waiting standby. 3 minutes. 3 minutes atong standby dire. I cut the film because ga wasted time ba. Waste of time. So akong giputol. So mga 3 minutes ang atong pag standby dire. So gawas na ta padong si SRP. Mao na last portion sa SRP o nya. I think mag-stop na sad. Mura mag-stop na yun. Stop na yun tinood. Oh. So I think hawa may traffic. Pero anong langan man. But I think the traffic is still a traffic. Traffic yun. Today is truck ban at this hour for 6 to 8, 4 to 8. We have truck ban today, truck ban at this hour from Darao. Truck ban 6 buko dagsiyo truck ban 6 to 8 ang atong truck ban sa buntag na siya sa gabi na pod 4 onto sa sutso. In the morning 6 to 8 and in the evening is 4 to 8. Na siya. So katsa kay wala ayo ni katsa